How to open Bank of America online account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to guide. If you're also trying to enroll on the online banking service of Bank of America, in this video let me quickly show you how it's done. There are not a lot of steps that you need to do. Within a couple of steps, you'll be successfully signed up for the online banking service. So first of all, search for bankofamerica.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, on the left hand side, you'll see this login form. Now to enroll to the online banking, you need to click on the enroll option on the bottom. Once you click on it, you can see on the top it says online and mobile banking. So this information that you're going to create will work both for the online banking and the mobile banking service. So first of all, start off by typing in the last 6 digits of your card or your account number that you have associated with Bank of America. So type that in first, and in the second box you need to type in your social security number or your tax ID number. But however, if you don't have your SSN or your TIN, you can click on don't have SSN or TIN, and instead of those details you need to fill in these, which is your checkings or savings account number, the last 6 digits of your debit card number, and the PIN. Now once you fill in either of these details, you need to click on continue. And in the next step, you'll need to type in and confirm your email address. So first of all, type in your email address in the first box, and in the second box, you'll need to again confirm it. And once you hit continue, a one-time password or a verification code will be sent to the email address that you just entered. You just need to enter in the code to verify your email address. And along with that, you will also need to verify or agree to the terms and conditions or terms of service of Bank of America. And lastly, you'll have a section of creating your login details such as your user ID and your password. Once you created your user ID and the password, you'll be successfully signed up for the online banking service of Bank of America. So that was the exact video of signing up for the Bank of America online banking. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.